Hello Quarry Bank and Straits Primary, I hope you're all doing really well. It's Miss Calderbank again here. This is lesson 6 and in today's lesson we're going to do a little bit more on musical notation, but we're actually going to start learning the names of the different pitches of notes, so whether the note's really high or low, okay, and we're going to see if we can find out where those notes have to sit on our special musical page. So I really hope you enjoy it and have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So today we're going to learn about reading musical notation properly. You'll see that there are 5 lines going across your screen. This is called a musical stave. And at the start of our musical stave lines, you can also see a curly-whirly symbol, and this is what we call a treble clef. In your proper pieces of music, you will see that the notes are spaced out on different lines or spaces on your musical stave. Here we have a notation rhyme to help you work out which note is which. You'll see that in between each line there are spaces. It spells the word face. So, if the note head was going through the bottom space, that would be the note F. If it was going through the second space, it would be the note A. If it was through the third space, it would be C, and the top space, it would be an E. But also our notes go through the lines as well. And you'll see at the side of the lines, it says from the bottom to the top, every green bus drives fast. So if the note was going through the bottom line, that note would be an E for every. If it was going through the second line, it would be a G for green. If it was going through the third line, it would be B for bus. The fourth line, D for drives. And if the note was going through the top line, it would be an F for fast. So now we've learnt our rhyme. We're going to have a look at some of these notes in our musical stave and try and work out which note it is. So here, the first note, we have it going through the third line. The note head is going through that line. So we count through to the lines, every green bus. And you'll see that it is going through the line that says the word bus. So that makes that note into a B. On this note, you'll see that it's going through the second line. So again, if we count up through those lines, we have every green. The note is going through the line that says the word green, which makes that note a G. Now this note is going through a space, so we're going to look at our face word. You can see that it's going through the third space up from the bottom, and that is in our C, which means this note would be a C. So now we've had a practice at working out those notes together using our notation rhyme. See if you can have a little go at working out these notes all by yourself. If you need to go back through the video to have another look at that rhyme, then I would do that. Or you can draw it out yourself and have it there so you can work the notes out. Pause the video now so that you can have a little go at working these notes out. So here are the answers. So number 1 was an F going through that bottom space. Number 2, D. 3, A. 4, G. 5, E. And 6 was a B. Well done if you got all of those correct. Now get a piece of paper and draw your own musical stave and have a practice of writing out all the notes in the notation rhyme, making sure that you have the note head on the correct line for each note. You could even make up your own tune using different note lengths, which we have learnt about in the previous lessons when you get a bit more confident with this. Have fun!